When your shop takes on the big jobs, the heavy cuts, the oversized parts, the tough materials, you need machine tools built to keep up. Expand Machinery's Ganesh line of heavy-duty lathes delivers rugged performance, powerful capacity, and dependable control for the work that demands more. Ganesh CNC heavy-duty big-bore lathes are among the heaviest-duty machines in the industry, with swings from 22 inches up to 65 inches and up to 315 inches between centers. These machines are built for large shafts, pipe work, energy components, and other demanding applications. For big bore applications, Ganesh lathes offer spindle bores up to 15 inches, with optional rear chucks for long, large diameter workpieces. And when the job calls for something even larger, special order machines are available with larger swings and longer bed lengths. Ganesh flatbed CNC lathes come with standard FANUC control, including manual guide eye and thread repair cycles, making pipe rethreading faster, easier, and more efficient. Optional live tooling turrets expand your capability by adding milling operations right on the lathe. On larger flatbed CNC models, steel belt chip conveyors help keep production moving by effectively removing chips from the work area. For large diameter work that does not require a tailstock, Ganesh GTD44F and GTD65F CNC models deliver large swing capacities in a short bed configuration, ideal for facing, turning, and machining oversized components. From heavy-duty big bore turning to powerful horizontal and vertical milling, Expand Machinery's Ganesh line gives manufacturers the strength, size, and control to tackle the work others cannot. Built for big parts, built for tough materials, built for shops that need performance they can count on. Contact Expand Machinery today to learn which Ganesh lathe or mill is right for your shop.